In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a signature into Google Docs. Whether you want to add a personal touch to a document or just streamline your signature process, being able to add your signature directly in Google Docs can be quite handy. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your web browser and navigate over to Google Docs. You can easily find it at docs.google.com or through your Google Drive. Once there, you'll need to select the document where you want to add your signature. If you haven't created the document yet, now's the perfect moment to do so. Once you're within your document, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll see a host of options. Click on the Insert tab. Among the drop-down options provided, you need to look for Drawing. As you hover over it, a side menu will appear. From here, click on New. This open a canvas where we'll be creating the signature. Now in the drawing dialog box, you'll notice a line icon, typically right at the top. Click on it, and from the expanded menu, choose Scribble. This tool will allow you to freehand draw your signature. Using your mouse or touchpad, draw your signature on the blank canvas. Take your time with this step. It might take a couple of tries to get it just right. Once you're satisfied with the appearance of your handwritten signature, look towards the top right of the drawing screen and click Save and Close. This action inserts your freshly drawn signature directly into your Google document. With the signature now in your document, it might not be the perfect size you imagined. Don't worry if it needs a little tweaking. Click on the signature and you'll see handles appear around it. These allow you to adjust the size of the signature by clicking and dragging to make it larger or smaller, depending on your preference. In some cases, however, you might already have an image of your signature saved on your computer and want to insert that instead. If so, head back to the Insert menu, but this time select Image and then Upload from Computer. Locate your saved signature image file and upload it into your document. Once uploaded, click on the image in your document. Similar to the drawn signature, you'll see handles that enable you to resize it. Adjust it until it fits perfectly on the page, just the way you want it. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully inserted a signature into Google Docs. Whether it's drawn directly or imported from your computer, you're now ready to personalize your documents with ease. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks in using Google Docs.